Well guys, so today we have 7-inch Hitachi angle grinder, a powerful motor. This is having a 2000 watt motor and 8500 RPM, very powerful. It has an instruction manual, you have to go for it before you go for the grinding, and this is the warranty card. So everything is clear. Now we will go to the machine. This is the guard, safety guard. You can mount it here. These are the inner outer flanges. So here we come with the inner, and now the DC wheel, a Hitachi DC wheel, very strong, very hard Hitachi DC wheel. It's useful, this grinder is very powerful and we can use for industrial as well as heavy fabrication. This is the spanner, just we can lock here and go for the spanner, right? Okay, so this is the Hitachi angle grinder, and Hitachi comes to you with a powerful motor, with a powerful grip and a powerful Hitachi. Okay.